So finally, after waiting for so long, I got my hands on the brand new Insta360 X5. And honestly, this might be one of the craziest 360 cameras for creators right now. In this video, we'll do a complete unboxing, first look, setup, and my honest review after testing it. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The box itself feels super premium and minimal. As soon as you open it, the first thing you see is the camera itself. And wow, it already looks sleek, solid, and professional. Inside the box, we get the Insta360 X5 camera, charging cable, documentation, protective pouch, and the standard accessories depending on the bundle. The design feels very refined, and the build quality instantly gives that flagship vibe. The first thing I noticed is the improved body design and those dual ultra-wide lenses. It feels rugged, premium, and perfect for travel, real estate, vlogging, and cinematic 360 shots. The touchscreen is bright and responsive, and the grip feels much better in hand. Now, coming to the exciting part, the features. This camera can shoot stunning 8K 360 video, which means insane detail and flexibility in post-production. The low light performance is massively improved, so even indoor or night shots look much cleaner. One of my favorite upgrades is the replaceable lens system, which makes it much safer for travel and outdoor shoots. And of course, the invisible selfie stick effect still looks absolutely magical. I tested this camera for walking shots, virtual tours, and cinematic movement shots, and the stabilization is seriously next level.